Hi, I'm MathYan. For more special mathematics lessons, please remember to click like and subscribe. Okay, today's lesson is special multiplication part 7. It's very effective dynamic string calculations. Okay, the lesson will learn about single digit multiplied with number that ends with 9. For example, 139 times 4. Okay, 1 put out, 3 put out. Okay, the formula will be plus 1, then multiply. Okay, then this 4 put out. Okay, remember 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, so it's 6 you put here. Okay, why I put a bracket? Because the minus 1 is to minus the number for the 14 times 4. Okay, let's see here. 14 times 4 is equal to 56. 56 minus 5 is 55. So it's 55. Then the 6 just leave it at the back. So become 556. Try another one. Okay, 69 times 3. So 6. Put down. 3. But only one digit out. If 2 digit like just now 13, so you have to put 13 plus 1 both. This is a single digit 6. So 6 plus 1 only. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So 7 will be the last digit. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 minus 1 is 20. So it's 207. Yeah. Try again, the last. 89 times 3. So 8. This will be formula. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 minus 1 is 26. So be 2, 6, 7. What about this? 119 times 6. So it will be 11 plus 1 times 6. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 times 6 is 72. So 72 minus 1 is 71. So the front number is 71. 71. So the last digit will be 4. So 7, 4. Okay. For more special multiplication method, please look out for the next video. Special multiplication part 5. Thank you.